Hi students, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Can anyone guess from the picture what's our today's topic? Yes, I think many of you have guessed. So, it's about reading comprehension. So, today we would be learning about the importance of reading comprehension. Why reading is so important. So, why reading comprehension is important? The purpose of reading is comprehension, getting meaning from written text. It can be challenging for kids if they are not knowing the meaning of the text. Kids must master a number of key skills like decoding, means finding the meaning of the text, to fully understand what they are reading. A major goal of reading comprehension instruction, therefore, is to help students develop the knowledge, skills, and experiences they must have if they are to become competent and enthusiastic readers. There are ways to help struggling readers build these skills at home and at school. Some people think of the act of reading as a straightforward task that's easy to master, but it's not like that. It is a complex process that draws on many different skills. Together, these skills lead to the ultimate goal of reading comprehension, or understanding what's been read. So, here are 6 essential skills needed for reading comprehension and tips on what can help kids improve this skill. Decoding means to find the meaning. Now, what is decoding in reading? Decoding is a key skill for learning to read that involves taking apart the sounds in words and blending sounds together. It allows kids to figure out most words they have heard but have never seen in print, as well as sound out words they are not familiar with. So, it is a vital step in the reading process. The ability to do that is the foundation for other reading skill. Now, second one is fluency. It is very important to read fluently. To read fluently, kids need to instantly recognize words. But if they are not knowing the words, they can't read it and they will be stuck in the middle. So, reading is very important. Fluency speeds up the rate at which they can read and understand text. It's also important when kids encounter irregular words. When kids can read quickly and without making too many errors, they are fluent readers. Reading fluency is essential for good reading comprehension. So now, third most vital thing for reading comprehension is vocabulary. To understand what you are reading, you need to understand most of the words in the text. Having a strong vocabulary is a key component of reading comprehension. Actually, a robust vocabulary improves all areas of communication: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Vocabulary is critical to a child's success for these reasons. The size of a child's vocabulary in kindergarten predicts the ability to learn and read. And they typically learn the meaning of words through everyday experience and also by reading. Fourth one is sentence construction. Understanding how sentences are built might seem like a writing skill. So might connecting ideas within the between sentences, which is called cohesion. But these skills are important for reading comprehension as well. Reasoning and background knowledge. Most readers relate what they have read to what they know. So it's important for kids to have background or prior knowledge about the world when they read. They also need to be able to read between the lines and pull out meaning even when it's not literally spelled out. Expose your child to as much as possible and talk about what you have learned from experiences you have had together and separately. Help your child make connections between new knowledge and existing knowledge and ask open ended questions that require thinking and explanations. Now, sixth vital ingredient of reading comprehension is working memory and attention. These two skills are both part of a group of abilities known as executive function. They are different but closely related. When kids read, attention allows them to take in information from the text. Working memory allows them to hold on to that information and use it to gain meaning and build knowledge from what they are reading. The ability to self monitor while reading is also tied to that. Kids need to be able to recognize when they don't understand something, then they need to stop, go back, and reread to clear up any confusion they may have. So, dear students, I hope this presentation will help you to go with reading comprehension passages comfortably. Now, let us summarize this. As we read in the presentation, decoding, fluency, and vocabulary skills. These are key components to reading comprehension. Without these three ingredients, we cannot find out the meaning of the passage and we won't be able to answer the passage. Being able to connect ideas within and between sentences helps kids understand the whole text, means connectivity. Some ideas, if introduced by the kids, it is easy to understand the passage. Reading aloud and talking about experiences can help kids building reading skills. So I hope now everything is clear to you and you would be able to read the passages comfortably and answer the questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.